Hey, what is going on YouTube? Hacker7 here. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can private your Instagram Threads account. So it's fairly simple, so let's go. So first things first, let's launch the Threads app, and it will typically be on the home page where you'll see all the different feeds of different individuals. So you need to navigate to your profile icon by pressing the little profile icon down here. And from here, you need to select the lines in the upper right corner. And as you can see, we have a few options. Now, the option that we would need to look for is privacy. And once you've selected privacy, you can go ahead and select private profile. Now, they will prompt you to say that switch to private account. Only approved followers will be able to see and interact with your content. So if you don't want your content to be widespread, you could set it as a private account. However, I recommend you to set it to be able to get more views on your post or threads. So that's basically it. If we tap OK, and we could simply turn it back off to public profile. So that's basically it, how to set your threads to private on Instagram's threads. So thank you for watching. Hacker7 out.